Okay, guys, I want to just do a quick review and unboxing to show you this item I received. Actually, I purchased it myself from Corporate Computer online. It got here in a couple of days, and I want to show you what this is. So this is a, six AA battery holder or converter, let's call it, or adapter. What it's designed to do is hold all your batteries. So hold six AA batteries, three on one side and three on the other. So when you combine those six batteries, it turns into a 9 volt. So 9 volt, a little bit more amperage out of it. That's the reason why they have the six AA batteries. You get a little bit more life out of it. That's why instead of just using a 9 volt battery, you use this configuration. It has more amperage or millivolts, milliamps. So this is how this works. This is 9 volts. Again, three AA batteries on one side, three AA batteries on the other side. Just make sure when you buy it, just make sure the configuration is what you need to fit in. Sometimes they don't fit correctly. So just make sure. I want to show you what it looks like. All high quality plastic, all first quality ingredient. Everything is all riveted together. Everything's all put together quite nicely. And the size is correct. So that's another big thing too. When you're buying these things, you want to make sure they're correct. And I did measure it, and it's pretty much on spot. 58 millimeters here. Around here, it is approximately 47 millimeters. In the thickness is, let me get that for you, is around 28 millimeter. So it definitely it measured exactly right. Just to make sure it's the correct configuration for what you're using it for. So this is what it looks like. I want you to give a close-up look at it. So I want you to see exactly what you're buying. So it's important to see because you really can't tell by photos. And again, I did purchase this myself. And I just wanted to make a video and just to show you so you won't be confused. Sometimes you just can't tell by a photo. You know, all you see is a stagnant photo. You really want to see what it looks like. And yes, good quality. It will work for you. Just make sure everything is correct. Make sure those pins line up where you want it to be, or a 9 volt battery. All right, guys, appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review.